So, Cameron, do you know what this is right here?
Is it a coffee machine?
I don't know. Is it? It's something like that. Look at this.
Oh, that's all
The little things that they put in the drinks. Yeah, 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 yeah. Vanilla. Oops, that's not vanilla, but that's all right though.
Okay. But yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of stuff that they have here. All fancy coffee equipment, some fancy pastries.
Things that we don't know about. I know nothing about. I'm horrible with coffee. I don't do it.
But I mean, Tyler just had his bagel. We each got a bagel. It's real yummy here.
Yeah, those bagels are good. I love bagels.
Yeah. And now, we're right next to our next interview. It's with Jessica Willingham.
Yeah, Jessica Willingham. Sam's doing it. She's the director of arts and culture in the community. I think in Montgomery COUnty area.
Yeah. Well, I mean, we'll see. Well, Sam will get everything we need to know, and we can just learn more. Here, do you want me to hand it off? We got it. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Hey, Sam. Hi. You ready?
Yeah, I'm sure. Thank you so much. So I'm here with Jessica Willingham, and she's the director of arts and culture. So we're just going to talk to her about some upcoming events that they have. Hi, how are you doing?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm good. So what are some major events coming up?
So happening in June, the weekend of the 9th and 10th, is the second annual Montgomery COUnty Studio Tour. It's an opportunity for people to see artists in their studio spaces, to meet them, see them creating, and buy their artwork. And best of all, the tour itself is free.
Okay. So what kind of art is going to be there?
It's all sorts of mediums, so everything from sculpture to painting. And one thing I think is really cool is each of the artists on the tour is required to create something called a county collector, which is a piece that's only $75, so it makes the artwork a little more approachable. It's a 6-inch by 6-inch piece, and you can go and buy this. It's only one piece per artist, so they're a pretty hot commodity, and I love to see what the different artists do with their pieces.
Well, that sounds really cool. So it's just like a walkthrough, and you don't have to purchase anything, but if you would love a piece, then you can.
Right. So it's free to attend, and it's all mapped out for the visitors of the different studios. So there's a map that's available online on the Montgomery COUnty Studio Tour website and also at artsmontco.com. So people can map out their weekends and plan where they'd like to go and what they'd like to collect. And if you just want to meet the artists, great. If you want to purchase work, that's available as well.
And can you tell me those dates and times for that specific event?
Sure. So it's happening Saturday, June 9th and Sunday, June 10th. And it is from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. on the 9th, which is Saturday, and from 11 to 5 on the 10th, which is Sunday.
Okay. And what are some other upcoming events that's more geared towards teenagers or children?
So I think what's really exciting for the whole family is Cirque du Soleil is bringing their newest show, Volta, to their big top tent. It's going to be by the Greater Philadelphia Expo Center in Oaks, and tickets are on sale now. It's the authentic Cirque experience. They are building the entire tented community. It's BMX, ballet, acrobatics, really beautiful costumes, great music, and I think a really exciting thing that they wanted to be in Montco.
Wow, that sounds really good. Is there any information on the website about it?
If you go to our website, valleyforge.org/Cirque, you can find all of the information, and not just about Cirque du Soleil, but local places to eat and other area attractions to experience.
And can you tell our viewers just some other events over the summer that are coming up?
Sure. Well, one of my favorite is the Philadelphia Folk Festival. It's in August on Old Pool Farm in Schwenksville, and that is actually the longest continuously running outdoor music fest in all of North America. It always has great headliners, and artists themselves even like to stop by. So over the years, people like Bob Dylan have come to just hang out at the Folk Fest. It's really considered one of the coolest events, and we're really proud to have it in Montco.
That sounds really cool. So with all of this information and all of these events, I know you have some more, and if you'd like to talk about them, you can. Where can they go to find out all of this information?
Sure. You can go to artsmontco.com. We have an entire calendar of events available, and also everything is listed out by the type of art you'd like to experience, and also the locations.
And if they have any questions, how can they contact you?
You can feel free to contact me via email. I'm at willingham@valleyforge.org, or give me a call at the tourism board. I'm always happy to chat. And Arts Montco is always a great resource online.
Is there anything else you'd like to add about any more events or anything else coming up?
I definitely encourage people to follow us on social media. We're on Facebook and Twitter at Arts Montco.
Thank you very much.